There are thousands of niches to start a YouTube channel. But I just found the best niche for 2024. It's the best time to start working on YouTube automation. But which niche is best to share a YouTube? This YouTube channel making $50,000 in a month and got 114,000 subscribers in just 1 month by uploading just 17 videos on his channel. Let me prove the income to you. Come on this site. This channel is also monetized. Every single one of their videos gets millions of views, even though this is a brand new channel. So before I show you how easy this is to replicate, let me prove the income to you. But even more shocking, there are many channels just like this one how are making thousands of dollars by using the same technique. Proving if get started now, you can be next. But I know what are you thinking, how would I get it on? In this video I am going to show you how easy it is to make videos like this on, and make sure to stick around to the end. I am gonna show you top niches of 2024. But first take a look at this channel videos so that you can make sense what they are aiming for.
Typewriters. Invented in the early 19th century, typewriters were an incredible predecessor to the modern-day computer. They transformed the world, and they allowed the process of writing to become quick and easy for anyone.
You can see the video is so simple, then why so many people are watching these videos? Let's check out the comments. There are 456 comments on this video, let's see them. This video is about old technology and revolution. To create something like this, we are gonna head towards ChatGPT. Evolutionary technologies. Let's search topic on ChatGPT. Now briefly describe each topic. For voiceover, you can use your own voice, or you can use CapCut from text to voice. Now it's time to create visuals. There are many websites from where you can download crazy images like Pixel and can also design images through Leonardo.ai. And you can simply edit through CapCut. But choosing the niche is probably the most important decision. But before selecting the niche, we have to check the RPM. If you don't know the meaning, RPM stands for revenue per mil. How much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. Here the list of RPM. According to my opinion, the most interesting niche to grow on YouTube is talking about men's glow up. These channels are exploding. How to look smart, how to clean skin, how to look your best. These channels are growing fast. The RPM of this niche is 12 over 1,000 views. The next best niche to start is fitness. 5 years from now or 50 years from now, people are gonna care about their shape. Many creators like these are earning $1,000 per month. The CPM of fitness is 2 over 10,000 views. The next top niche is personal finance. If you help people to earn money, there is huge profit potential and adding value to your life. This YouTube is provide same kind of content and getting large amount of subscriber. This niche has the highest RPM of $12 per 1,000 views. The best niche, which I like the most, is tech. You can talk about new technology. There are many YouTube channels, and there are a lot of gadget on, which you can make you content. You can get $30 per 1,000 views. The next niche we will talk about is relationship and dating advice, unlike learning the new skill. This is the basic biological advice that all humans have and always being interested in. The CPM of this niche is $2 or $3. Look, choosing the niche is the very important part of the process because your entire channel to be about you content should be combination of something trending, something of your interest, something you have knowledge about, because you have to make a lot of content on this. My best advice to take this decision seriously. I really tried my best to provide you the best niche, so make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more valuable content.